Hello, this is me Ali Raza, and in this video I'm going to explain on how to add negative keywords in a campaign. But before adding, let me explain what is negative keyword. Negative keyword is a keyword where we do not want our ads to be shown. For instance, if we are targeting, for instance, in this campaign right now, it's a Safari in Dubai, and if you do not want to target whenever the word cheap or free appears, we are going to add it as a negative keyword. How to do it in this video I'm going to explain it. Why we need to use negative keywords is because we need to understand the intent of the user, which is different with every keyword. For instance, when a person searches free Safari in Dubai, it doesn't mean he wants to pay for a Safari in Dubai. He wants a free ride for Safari in Dubai. And when a person is searching cheap Safari in Dubai, it means that he's tight on budget and he is looking for a cheaper deal. And if he is searching for luxury Safari in Dubai, so he is looking for a luxury deal. If we are providing luxury deal, we are going to target for luxury, and we are going to target cheap as a negative. And if we are having a cheap service, we are going to add luxury as a negative keyword, because we do not want luxurious users to see our ad, because they do not want to buy it, because they are looking for a premium ride or premium something. So according to the intent of the user, we need to add the keyword accordingly. And the question is how we can add it. So there are two ways through which you can add it. One is by search keywords, and one is by adding directly in the negative keyword. If in case if you want it in the search keyword, all you have to do is you have to select the plus button, select the ad group, and you have to write the dash. If you write any word with the dash, it's going to be automatically counted as a negative keyword. Okay, you can see, you can't see it here because it's already being added in the negative word. You can see it's already here as a free. You can see I added it. I can remove it as well here, and you can see you can also add it directly from the negative keywords. But in the negative keywords, you do not have to add the word dash. You can write any word, or you can write cheap, and you can just select it. There is an also option that in case if you want to add to a specific campaign or a specific ad group. For instance, I want my keyword for a specific ad group, not for the whole campaign. I'm going to select it from here. And if I want it for the whole campaign, I'm going to select it from here. Okay, and save it. Now the word is automatically added here. You can see the word cheap is added here. So, and I can remove it from here as well. Select the button. You can see now it's already being removed. So this was a easy and quick two ways through which you can add or remove negative keywords in your Google Ads campaign. And I have already told you the importance of negative keywords and what is negative keyword. I hope you like my video. If any questions, comments or suggestions, you are more than welcome to ask in the comment section, and do not forget to share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching it, and bye bye.